Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. I did not know I'm going to be making like some tutorials because a lot of people ask me, how do I get like videos or things off like YouTube and stuff? And I'm going to show you like the not really sketchy, but like real sketchy way to do it. So what I do is I go on Google or, Microsoft Edge or anything, and I just search up MP, no, YouTube to MP3 or MP4. It could be MP4 for videos or MP3 for just audio. So normally you guys would want to do YouTube to MP4, so because that's what the format is called. So yeah, I'm just gonna not these, like this is just gonna be like weird. That's just basically teaches you how to do it. But you're gonna find like, I don't know, a random one. This is like the first one that came up. So it's gonna look something like this. There's gonna be like ads and stuff, but I have an ad blocker, and it's actually pretty cool. Ad blocker works so much when I'm trying to watch like anime or something like that. So yeah. So I'm gonna go on a YouTube video, random one. Like let's say a sound thingy, like sound effect. I spelled that crazy wrong. Anyway, but yeah, typing, no. Funny sound effect. So I'm gonna go on GTA 5 wasted busted sound effect, whatever the heck. All right, so I'm gonna click share, copy because that's the link, or you could just copy the top, but that's way too long. So yeah, share, copy, paste it in here, convert. Wait, this is YouTube to MP3. What the heck? It's just gonna be the sound effect. I'm kind of dumb, but yeah, you press download. What the heck? Oh yeah, that's it. I don't know why it took me here, but it's still downloaded. I accidentally pressed reload, so it downloaded twice. That's dumb. So yeah, then it's gonna be playing right here. You can just close out of that. Just yeah, there. That's it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like if you guys found this really helpful for you. And yeah, see you guys later. Peace.